Guys, we are in a beautiful place of Goa. Where we have parked our vehicle just in front of a beach hut. Now this is the time to practically test our camper box. Let us see now. This is XUV 500 W11 version, top end edition. 2 seats have been removed, but not necessarily. Even if at all, if you don't want, you can keep the back seats just folded and place a check box or camper box. Now these are the 2 stools which are held with the help of Velcro. This is the chair. Yeah, 2 chairs, foldable chairs, which are bought from Decathlon. And now this is the check box.
Okay. Now again, this is a custom-made bag. These 3 are custom-made bags. Within this one, we got easily carryable chili powder, sugar, and as well as salt. Along with this one, we got lighter. This one, knives, and everything. This can be carried. Say, for example, you are in a small homestay or something. Immediately you'll be able to carry this one, and along with this another box is there where you got kettle and everything. So immediately you can carry this one. And this is intelligent setup where you can simply pump the twice the price and you will get plenty of water even in a splendid manner to wash the vessels or wash the hands and something like that. Even you can clean the car along with this one. So this is one more second, and then you can place it. There is a spill proof one. This can be placed like this, and it can be closed. This is how it works. We got one more hidden compartment. If you just simply pull this draw outside, you get another massive compartment over here where I have stored one inflatable bed along with the pump, garbage bag, and inflatable pillows. Here we got one emergency toilet seat and as well as one more stool along with slippers, use and throw slippers and tissue papers, the tissues and everything. In this compartment again we have stored lots of tapes, jumper cables, ropes, hammock, brake fluid, lots and lots of other tools which are required in a long journey. All these things will always be permanently over here. So this is one more, a bigger box. Here I have stored the things which are not very oftenly used. So this is a massive amount of spaces that we got over here.
Here is a bread omelette made by my friend and as well as my supervisor, Mr. Manu, using the camper box. Finely chopped vegetables, and the litters are all stored in one bag. Bread and omelette. Bread omelette. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?